In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AI in Notion. Whether you're planning to streamline your experience or you simply prefer to work without AI's assistance, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening Notion on your computer or device. Make sure you're logged into your account to have access to your settings. Once you're in, look for the Settings option. It's typically found by clicking on the menu icon or your profile photo, depending on your device. This will take you to a page with all your available options and preferences in Notion. Now that you've made it to the Settings page, you're going to want to look for the section specifically for Notion AI. It's worth noting here that if you're on a free plan, some AI features might not be available to you, which means you may not see this option in your settings. However, if you've upgraded to a paid plan, you should find this section without any issues. With the Notion AI section in view, you'll likely see a list of features or settings related to available AI capabilities. The key here is to identify which of these features you wish to disable. Notion may have several AI features, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on a couple of common ones. First, there's the AI web search. If it's enabled, what this does is connect your Notion workspace with the web, allowing AI to pull in search results or other data from the internet as needed. Disabling this feature could help your workflow remain more private and less cluttered, depending on your preferences. Next, we have AI connectors. These are typically used to link Notion with other applications or services. If you rarely use these integrations or find them unnecessary, you might want to disable them for a cleaner experience. To turn off either of these features or any other AI option you see, simply toggle the switch next to each choice. Once you've turned off the features you don't need, you've successfully disabled AI elements within Notion. Should you ever wish to re-enable these features in the future, all you have to do is follow these same steps and toggle the switches back on. It's as simple as that. Flexibility at your fingertips. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful to you in customizing your experience with Notion. Remember, controlling these settings is all about making your workspace work for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.